Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make mint Kura Pappu. First, let's prepare our lentils. Begin by washing 1 cup of tur dal thoroughly. Soaking the dal for about 30 minutes helps it cook faster and more evenly. Then, pressure cook the dal with 2.5 cups of water until it's perfectly soft and mushy. This forms the creamy base of our delicious dish. Next, we'll create the star of our dish, the fresh mint paste. Take 1 cup of fresh mint leaves, 2 green chilies for a little kick, a small piece of ginger, and 2 cloves of garlic. Blend these together with a splash of water until you achieve a smooth, aromatic paste. This vibrant green mixture will infuse our pappu with incredible flavor. Now, let's bring everything together. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan and sauté 1 finely chopped onion until it becomes translucent. Add the prepared mint paste and the cooked, mashed dal. Stir everything thoroughly, ensuring the flavors combine beautifully. Let it simmer gently for 5 to 7 minutes, allowing the minty goodness to fully infuse the lentils. For the grand finale, we'll add a flavorful tempering. In a small pan, heat 1 tablespoon of ghee. Add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, letting them splutter. Then, add a pinch of asafoetida and a few fresh curry leaves. Pour this aromatic tempering over your simmering mint Kura Pappu. Stir gently and serve hot with rice or roti.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.